The truth is, if your business marketing is poor and no one is seeing you or know of you, you are set up for failure. I once watched a video of a young girl who lived in the Philippines. She had the most amazing voice. When she sang Whitney Houston's I'll Always Love You, I couldn't tell the difference. She's super talented. The only difference why no one knows about her today and she didn't make it was promotion and being prolific. Having a publicist to package her to the world. With little or poor marketing, it's as if your business doesn't exist. Being clear of your target audience, understanding the secrets of persuasion, knowing the emotional habits of humans, and being profound and prolific will improve your viewership, set you apart from the competition, and prevent failure and loss in your business. What will be your most effective marketing strategy? Hey, because I want you to succeed, type in the comments the word wealth, WEALTH, to get this free printable 2-pager, which I printed on one sheet of paper back and forth, so you can print it on 2 pages if you would like. This is to help you remember the 7 biggest mistakes to avoid in your business. You can fill out page 2, keep it where you can see it, and use it to prevent failing in your business. And if you want to go deeper with me, check the link in the description for more resources. Stay blessed and see you soon.
Watch this next video if you want to grow your business and partake in this end-time wealth transfer.